Today we're going to make Japanese style egg salad sandwiches. Let's start by hard boiling 3 eggs. Here I have a pot of water. I'm gonna drop 3 eggs in there and then bring it to a boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. The eggs are hard boiled. Let's crack and peel these. Now with a fork, I'm just gonna mash these all up. Let's add the rest of the ingredients. Half cup's worth of green onions, a 1/4 teaspoon's worth of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon's worth of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of milk, and here I have 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise. I'm just gonna mix this all together now. All right, now let's move on to making that perfectly medium boiled egg. We're going to boil some water. After it comes to a boil, we're gonna drop a couple of eggs in there and then cook them for exactly 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, immediately take them out and then drop them into an ice bath. Beautiful. And now we can finally assemble our sandwich. All right, so get your bread. I'm going to add some Kewpie mayonnaise on one slice and some Dijon mustard on the other. Grab a couple slices of your egg. Take some of our egg salad mix here and just smear some on top. Just place the other piece of bread. Serrated knife. And let's cut straight down the middle. So here is the sandwich that LA is totally obsessed about, that's sold at a restaurant called Konbi. At that restaurant, they keep the crust on the bread on. However, in Japan, you'll find them at supermarkets with the crust off. So that's up to you. I'll keep them on this time. And that's all you need to do to make this beautiful and delicious sandwich. Check out some of these other great videos, you guys, and please support us by hitting that like and subscribe button.